coming back to check back in to make sure that if you are an entrepreneur or a business owner, you have already registered for B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop, okay? This is going to take you beyond the basics you may be getting in some other webinars and, 90-minute webinars disguised as workshop. This is a full workshop where we will be working you through the top 5 stories you need as an entrepreneur and a business owner, and helping you define and flesh out the 9 characters that need to be in every story you tell, okay? And just think about it. You get to leave this workshop with deliverables. No cookie cutter templates. We are going to workshop you through your story so that you have content you can use when you leave this workshop. Not only content that you can use for website copy, for blogs, for articles, for social media content, to answer interview questions, but these are stories that you can relate to your loan officer, because guess what? You may never, ever, ever get to talk to the underwriter, the person who's going to decide whether or not to give you the funds you need to scale and grow your business, the funds you need for inventory, the funds you need to pay your team. But you will get to talk to that loan officer, that business banking loan officer. So you better be able to relay your story so that that loan officer can then properly relay your story to the underwriter. And you get to walk out with content that you can copy and paste. You fill out grants. Are you going into portals, supplier portals to work with corporations, government agencies? Are you going into, filling out RFPs? And you really need to be able to share your capabilities and qualifications in a way that is memorable, in a way that sticks. You need to boss up. You need to attend the Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop, okay? Content is king. And when you have your content in your heart, which is what we do, we help you pull it out your heart and put it onto paper, then you can't lose. Then you don't have to worry about memorizing pitches. No shade to pitches. Pitches are great. But you're putting the cart before the horse if you're focused more on memorizing a pitch than you are with actually crafting and creating the stories from your heart, okay? So we are so excited about the next B.O.S.S cohort that is coming up. We do only allow 6 business owners and entrepreneurs in each cohort because we're hands-on. We are hands-on. We are workshopping those stories with you. But you can get on the wait list. You can get on the wait list. And don't worry if you get on the wait list, because we are still going to be communicating with you, nurturing you, and equipping you with tools and tips that will allow you to maximize your experience once you are in the B.O.S.S workshop. So head over now to www.path2connections.com. Check out the B.O.S.S Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop and register. I'll see you inside.